Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'll show you first how not to catch a chicken. You can't just run after them and try to catch them because they're faster than you. As you can see, Tasneem is trying to catch them, but they're all running away from her.
Oh, you're the only one out. Can you come here? Oh, hi.
Okay, this is how you catch a chicken. You have to sneak up on it and surprise it like that. And you can see she's in a conflict between submitting because she's meant to submit to a rooster or running away. When she realizes it's not a rooster, she runs away. So I go like this again. No, that didn't work. Let's try another one. The white ones are very hard to get, they're hard to submit. There you go. They did. So you just have to kind of surprise them. Ah. Okay, all gone now, hiding.